So, I'm gonna do 3D now because I like the way. Hey, no, wait. Dolce!
Look, just do Momo. He's right. Dolce just peed on Momo's head. So he moved.
Why are you moving this?
So I can sit down. Cookie, why are you wet? Get away. Get off me.
Se metió la
That's perfect.
Hola, pollito. ¿Cómo estás, chiquito?
What was that?
Death.
There you go.
That's it!
He just left a leg right there.
Eso se puede comer a Cookie si nos distraemos.
Come here!
Pobrecitos.
Oh, look at Dolce! Look, I have food. Yeah. I did.
¿Sigues filmando, Vives?
Yeah. This time I did it 3D though. Hi!
Oh, what's that? Estás hablando de...
I was, but now I won't.
Well, this one's 3D. How are you gonna upload it, stupid?
That's right. I forgot. You're still not even done.
He likes to savor. He's French.
Ah. He's like eating the inside. Oh my god.
Remember Gabbana?
That was okay. We have to do that like every like month or so. Because if it has too much protein, it's gonna like diarrhea everywhere. So every month, and next time we'll film it so we can say. He's never. Well, they've had cricket once. That's about it. When we first got him.
Gabbana was so funny. He was like.
Except really, really, really fast.
That scared me.
Yeah, I was like. Hi.
Momo's not even done.
Hey, Parsnip literally just like climbed on Momo. Hey, let him have it.
Run away, Momo, run away.
You already had yolk cricks.
Hey, Dolce, she got another one.
Oh, she did?
They're fighting over it.
Whoops, I'm sorry. Jesus, keep filming. I need to go put Gabbana away.
Careful, don't let him get out.
No, don't stop it.
BB.
Oh, Jesus, he's gonna give him another one. Oh, here. Let's go. Jesus, actually come over here so we can give Gabbana. Jesus, let's go Gabbana. No, it's not.
I can't. Where are you? I'm coming.
¿Sosito?
Delicious. Look at his leg.
Why is he doing that?
He has a little piece in the other hand. He's holding the main thing in his other hand. Like that. That's cool. Just bring it all. Just bring it in there. You're just like holding half of it. You're just holding its butt out. Oh my god. Look at this. He's licking up the. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's so fun. Oh, there's one. That ain't no worm. Oh, I know that's your finger.
What
Oh,
was it?
look. Oh, look at that meat.
What was the thing from SpongeBob the worm? It's a Canadian.
Alaskan
Oh yeah,
bullworm.
Alaskan bullworm. Canadian.
He like
Are you
to the
ready?
antennas.
Are you ready to mosh?
Ew, his little legs stick.
Well, I'm bored. Here, you can film if you want.
I think I'm done. Say goodbye. Bye. That wasn't-
Bye.
Say bye.